Changing your payout method on FP Markets is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your FP Markets account by entering your username and password on the official website. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Once logged in, locate the withdrawal or payout section in your account dashboard. This is typically found in the account settings or financial management area. Step 3. Select your new payout method. In the withdrawal section, you will see a list of available payout methods. Choose the method you wish to use for future withdrawals, such as bank transfer, credit card, or e-wallet. Step 4. Provide required information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. Review your selected payout method and the provided information. Once confirmed, submit your changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the update. Make sure to check your account periodically to ensure that your new payout method is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, contact FP Markets customer support for assistance.